Welcome to the exciting world of video editing with CapCut. This is where your journey to creating stunning videos begins. This powerful and intuitive app makes creating stunning videos easier than ever. With just a few taps, you can transform raw footage into a polished masterpiece. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, CapCut has something for you. The app is designed to cater to all skill levels, offering a range of features that grow with you as you become more proficient. Get ready to unleash your creativity with a plethora of tools at your fingertips. From trimming and cutting to adding music and text, CapCut provides everything you need to make your videos stand out. From basic cuts and transitions to advanced effects and animations, CapCut empowers you to bring your vision to life. Imagine turning a simple clip into a cinematic experience with just a few clicks. CapCut's user-friendly interface makes it a joy to use. The layout is clean and intuitive, allowing you to focus on your creativity without getting bogged down by complicated menus. Dive into a world of creative possibilities. Collaborate with friends or work solo. Either way, CapCut provides the tools to bring your ideas to life. Edit on the go with its seamless mobile experience. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just relaxing at home, CapCut allows you to work on your projects anytime, anywhere. Share your masterpieces directly to social media platforms and captivate your audience. With CapCut, your videos are just a tap away from reaching a global audience, gaining likes, comments, and shares. Exporting your videos is a breeze with CapCut. Choose from a variety of formats and resolutions to ensure your content looks its best, no matter where it's viewed. Need help getting started? CapCut offers a comprehensive tutorial section to guide you through every feature. Learn at your own pace and become a video editing pro in no time. No matter what type of video you're creating, be it travel vlogs, tutorials, music videos, or something entirely unique, CapCut has the tools to make your vision a reality. Experience the joy of seeing your ideas come to life. With CapCut, the possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. So, what are you waiting for? Download CapCut today and start your journey into the world of video editing. Unleash your creativity and make every moment memorable with CapCut. Let's begin your CapCut journey by getting the app onto your device. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or a complete beginner, CapCut offers a user-friendly platform to bring your creative visions to life. Download CapCut for free from either the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Simply search for CapCut in your respective app store and hit the download button. The app is lightweight, so it won't take up much space on your device. Installation is a breeze. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. The app will guide you through the necessary steps, ensuring a smooth setup process. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Once installed, open CapCut and familiarize yourself with the interface. The intuitive design makes it easy to navigate, even if you're new to video editing apps. Spend a few moments exploring the various features and settings. The home screen greets you with options to start a new project or explore templates. Templates are pre-designed video formats that can save you time and effort, perfect for quick edits or inspiration. At the bottom, you'll find tabs for Home, Templates, Edit, and Me. The Home tab is your main dashboard. Templates offer a variety of pre-made designs. Edit is where the magic happens, and Me is your personal profile and settings area. Tap New Project to start editing. This will open up your media library, allowing you to select photos and videos to include in your project. You can also capture new footage directly within the app. Grant CapCut access to your photos and videos when prompted. This is essential for importing your media files into the app. Don't worry, your privacy is respected, and the app only accesses the files you choose to use. Now, let's master the basics of editing. Editing is the art of storytelling, and mastering it can elevate your videos to a whole new level. Import your video clips and arrange them on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is your workspace, where the magic happens. Organize your clips in the order you want them to appear in your final video. To shorten a clip, tap and drag either end. This allows you to trim away any unnecessary parts, ensuring your video flows smoothly and keeps the viewer's attention. To split a clip, tap it, position the playhead where you want to split it, and tap the scissors icon. Splitting clips is useful for cutting out unwanted sections or for creating precise edits. Transitions add a professional touch. They help to seamlessly connect different scenes and can enhance the overall viewing experience. Explore various transitions by tapping the transitions icon. CapCut offers a wide range of transitions from simple cuts to more elaborate effects. To add a transition, place it between two video clips on the timeline. This will create a smooth flow from one clip to the next, making your video more engaging. Experiment with different transitions to find your favorites. Each transition can give your video a unique feel, so don't be afraid to try out different styles and see what works best for your project. Remember, the key to great editing is practice and creativity. The more you experiment, the better you'll become at telling your story through video. Audio is crucial for an immersive video experience. CapCut offers robust audio editing capabilities. Add music from CapCut's library or import your own tracks. Adjust the volume and fade in or out for a seamless audio flow. Enhance your videos with sound effects. CapCut provides a library of sound effects to add depth and impact. You can also record voiceovers directly within the app. Clear and engaging audio elevates your videos to the next level. Make your videos pop with text, stickers, and overlays. Add text to introduce topics, captions, or create eye-catching titles. Customize font styles, sizes, colors, and animations for visual flair. Explore CapCut's library of fun and engaging stickers to enhance your videos. Add a touch of whimsy or highlight key moments. Overlays offer creative layering options, from subtle textures to dynamic visual effects. Transform the mood and feel of your videos with filters and color grading. CapCut offers a range of filters to enhance your footage instantly. Experiment with different filters to achieve the desired aesthetic. For more control, delve into color grading, fine-tune brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Create a cohesive and visually appealing look for your videos. Color grading adds a professional touch and enhances the overall viewing experience. Take your editing to the next level with keyframes and green screen effects. Keyframes allow you to create animations by setting points of change over time. Animate text, stickers, or even the video itself for dynamic movement. Green screen effects open up a world of creative possibilities. Replace the background of your videos with any image or video you desire. Transport your subjects to exotic locations or create fantastical scenes. Let's put your skills to the test with a practical project, a dynamic travel vlog. Import your travel footage into CapCut and arrange it chronologically on the timeline. Use cuts, trims, and transitions to create a seamless flow. Add background music that complements the mood of your vlog. Use text overlays to introduce different locations and share interesting insights. Incorporate stickers and emojis to add a touch of fun and personality. Now, let's create a compelling promotional video for a product. Start with an attention-grabbing intro that highlights the product's key benefits. Use clear and concise text overlays to convey information effectively. Showcase the product in action with high-quality footage. Use close-ups to highlight details and demonstrate its functionality. Add a call to action at the end, encouraging viewers to learn more or make a purchase. Congratulations on taking your first steps toward CapCut mastery. You've learned the fundamentals of video editing. Remember to practice regularly and explore the app's many features and tools. The more you experiment, the more proficient you'll become. Embrace the world of video editing with CapCut and unlock endless creative possibilities. Share your stories, express your ideas, and captivate the world with your video creations. Your journey to CapCut mastery has just begun.